Now, I finally went to pull apart. Now I got two short axes, so I'm gonna put this 8.8 Explorer in together the rest of the way. He's cutting all these brackets off and then just stick it in the truck, relocate everything, put the shock mounts. Have to get everything cleaned up and put together. Stick it up on here and tripod. That works lovely. Fix this shit out trying to hold the camera. Cut this thing off. What happened, brother? Struggle is real. Got it together. I'm gonna do put some gear on it and put the brakes and all on it once I get it in the truck. I still gotta weld the perches on and shock brackets, center it up and get the pinion angle right. It wound up being 56 5/8 inches from drum to drum. I think the rim in the truck's 56 1/2 or 56 1/4. I don't know. I have to measure it when I go to pull it out. Then bolt was broke. Instead of worrying about trying to get it out, I just welded the sensor to it. Don't care if it goes bad or not, I'm not going to use it. It's just something I had to plug the hole. Yep. They got the 7 1/2. Oh, let me get down here. Got the axle on top of the leaf springs now. And these are leaf springs out of the F-150. I took the leaf out. So it had 5 leaves. The truck had 4 before, so I put it back to 4 leaves. Still ain't drove it with the welded up diff other than moving it around in the yard a little bit. Still gonna go drive it. I guess make a video on it. Driving it down the road with the welded up 7 1/2 and cut the spot welds inside the bed. You can see where it used to be. Screw jack and a 2x4. Got these spot welds back here at the back. Stretch the bed out. about 4 inches per side. It's 12-inch wheel wells. Now it's got 16-inch wheel wells. And now my tires actually go under the bed. Cut a groove in the tire like it was doing before. So. Got a fat ass now. See, it's a little bit lower than it was. I can adjust that still a little bit. Fiddling with the leaves. Take another one out. But yeah, it's how good is picking it up on here. Definitely wider now. Looks a little crazy. Don't look that bad. Let's see, I'll take this one back on the inside. Yep. Take it down the road to 7.5. And I'm pretty sure I put 355s in it. And that one. It's a little higher geared than the 373s. Hopefully it'll help with the spin. Keep me from having to shift so damn quick. Just gonna be it on this one, y'all. Y'all like, subscribe, and comment. See y'all on the next one.